Aaron, how are you, mate?
Yeah, good, man.
You were saying you saw lots of these videos.
Oh, yeah, a lot on Facebook.
Is that why you're here?
Yeah.
Good. What was happening before your instructor died?
Oh, well, yeah, let's just say it was a long story, but
Yeah.
just having a bit of struggle with the P's and thought might as well get something that's helpful. And a lot of my friends have recommended me to Carmen, so big thank you to all my friends that have helped me and recommended me to Carmen, so
Good.
thank you.
Yeah, thanks, guys and girls. Well done, Aaron. You settled in for your training here with us,
Thank you.
and you performed marvellously well.
Thank you.
And you easily cruised through your passing test, didn't you?
Yeah.
Made it a breeze for you today, didn't it?
Yeah.
Excellent. Did you notice the difference between our driving school and wherever else you learnt?
Definitely.
What was the difference?
Oh, price,
Yep.
just the hospitality, Carmen's are so nice and so helping, like, he will help you get your P's. Trust me, people, you will get your P's.
Yeah, we'll certainly do everything towards helping you, eh?
Mm-hmm.
And what about the difference in training lessons and what you learnt?
Oh, definitely. Like, I've learnt a whole variety of a lot more skills and assets to help me with my driving. And, yeah, also the time management as well. Like, the lesson times are really good as well. Like,
Yeah.
Got good time to settle into the car and settle into the groove of driving.
Good,
So,
good.
yeah, it's good.
Well done, mate. Well, keep
Thank you.
turning that wood. Keep spinning them out, mate.
I will.
And, yeah, you might as well flash it up, pal. Well done. See you, Aaron.
See ya.
Let me drop you off at Services SA, hey?
Easy, yeah.
Cheers.
See ya.